Hi guys, and welcome back to Whitney's Wednesday. So today is spooky look number 2. Oh, hello, Winter. Come here. She wants to be a part of it. Look, our face and your collar matches. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at. So cute. See? Now she's messed up Mama's makeup. Let's try that again. So this is spooky look number 2. It's nothing too crazy. I was just kind of getting some pumpkin vibes, and I found my rhinestone cat ears. So I thought that'd be kind of cute. I get to work at my fun job today, so I'm gonna wear these. And if anybody watches Floribama Shore, Nilsa and Amy, they wear these, and I bought these about a year ago, and I was just like, I don't know how to make these look cute. I don't know if I just look childish. And then I started seeing they were wearing them, so I was like, you know what? I could pull it off, they could pull it off. So anyways, enjoy the tutorial. It's very simple, just a few orange colors and a yellow, and of course our bold black lipstick. So enjoy this video, and I'll see you at the end of it. Stay spooky. Alrighty, so I think for today's look, I'm gonna do something pumpkin inspired. So I'm gonna do a really, really bright orange on the eyes. So I grabbed as many oranges as I got. So let's get started. I am first going to dip into my Jaclyn Hill Morphe Part 2, I guess if you want to call it. This is the Armed and Gorgeous. Let me grab my brush cleanser because we are going to start with the crease / our transition shade. And that shade we are using is Access. This is the yellow golden shade right here. So dip into that and put it right along your crease. Next shade we are dipping into, if you all remember, that Clueless palette by Enchanted. Wasn't my favorite, but there is a really bright orange shade in here, so let's hope and pray that it works. It is this orange, and the shade name is Buggin'. So we're just gonna take that, hope and pray again that it does what I want it to, and we're going right on that outer crease. Not bad, not bad. But if you saw this palette, look at the fallout that's happening right now. Gross. Okay, and just to really make sure that that yellow and the orange I just applied is really blended out, I'm gonna take a clean, fluffy brush and just kind of go back and forth to make sure those colors are nice and mixed together. Alright, and just because I want that yellow to really pop just behind there, I'm going into my Kylie Jenner palette. This is the Stormy collection. Why does this happen to me with all the black shades? Are they magnetic? What is happening? Great, now I have black all over my fingers because I'm trying to press this back in there. Thanks, Kylie Jenner. Anyways, back to what I was saying before everything went haywire. God, I am going into Kylie Jenner's Stormy palette. There's this yellow shade. Let's pray nothing falls back out. One right there. And we're just gonna put it along our brow bone and our nose bone. You'll see. Next, we're gonna dip back into the Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette. We're going in with that shade Secure. And we're just gonna deepen up that outer crease a little bit more. Next shade, I'm going in with the color Agent, and I'm really just gonna deepen just the crease area very lightly though. Just wanna get some more depth, but I don't want it to make it too obvious as well. for my lid shade, if you guys remember, I'm gonna dip into that Mickey Mouse palette from Target. There's not really a shade name, but it's the shimmery burnt orange here, and I'm just gonna use my finger and make sure it's clean from Kylie. And we're just gonna place it all over the lid, like so. And it's okay if you got any underneath your waterline like I did here, because I think I'm gonna go back after I brush off all my setting powder and put some underneath my waterline, so we are okay with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just brush off all my baking powder now. For blush, I'm going in with NARS in the shade Orgasm. It is the name, it says it right there, not making it up. I'm going in with this. It's kind of like a dusty rose with hints of gold in it. So I thought this would look really nice just because I already have the yellows going on, and just kind of like a warmer tone is going to look nice with these cool tone orange. So I was originally thinking about going in with the yellow liquid eyeliner. The only thing with the NYX Vivid Brights is they crack so bad the more and more you apply. So I would hate to put this on my lid and then it gets messed up. So I think what I'm going to do is I am going in with just black eyeliner and then put some glitter on top of it. So I think that would look really cute. So let's dive into it and pray to the wing gods that we turn out even. Okie dokie. Gonna apply some mascara. And I don't know if you remember me talking about keeping that orange shade in the inner corner. We're gonna dip back into that from the Mickey Mouse palette. And we're just gonna put it right underneath the waterline. I'm not gonna go all the way to the end, just kind of keep it in the inner corner. And I did smoke it out a lot underneath my eye just to give it a little more of a dramatic effect. Cute! I do kind of think I want to finish the outer corner with that yellow shade we were using from Kylie Jenner. Just kind of give it like a quad effect. I think that'd be really cute. So I'm going to dip in with a skinny brush and just use that yellow shade to dust it over in the outer corner underneath my waterline. Cute. I may think that made that really fun looking. Awesome. Okay, so am I done with the eyes? I had to do lips and highlights still. So I think I'm gonna do black just for fun. Why not, right? Let's do it. And we're going in with Kat Von D. I think my last video I used a Kat Von D lipstick too. Yeah, but it was a mini. Look at the different size. This is the full size and this is a mini. Whoa. I actually got this from TJ Maxx. I was super, super stoked. I was like, a black lippy stick. It's okay. Let's dig in. Cute. And last but not least is highlight. I do have like a yellow shade from ColourPop I'm gonna use just because we already have this yellow orange going on. Yellow highlighter. It's a little dirty just because I am digging into it. Okay, that is it. I'm gonna go actually do my hair and maybe put some real clothes on. So, alrighty guys, so that is it for the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, it's very easy. I hope it was simple to follow. Just if you have some orange or yellows laying around, really awesome. Good tip for black lipstick too. If you don't have any, black pencil eyeliner is always great, and putting a lip gloss over it, I've heard, is also a good substitute if you don't have any black lipstick. So I really hope this helps you get some inspo, or maybe if you're going to the pumpkin patch and you need a little fall photo shoot, you know, whatever. It's just a fun. Sorry, I got carried away. But anyways, thank you guys for coming and watching Spooky Part 2 makeup tutorial. I hope to have some more. I might just do some normal ones throughout the month too. Who knows? We will see. But stay tuned for more spookiness, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.